Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Voices38.dll was not loaded error on your Windows PC. So let's get straight into the steps. First, click the Start button on your Windows computer. From the Start menu, open Settings. Once the Settings window is open, look at the left side and select Privacy and Security. Now, click on Windows Security. Inside Windows Security, look for the Virus and Threat Protection option and open it. Here, you'll be able to see the current security status of your computer. If Windows Security is showing a warning or if your protection settings are not enabled, this could potentially cause problems with applications or files. Before making any changes, make sure your antivirus and Windows security features are properly enabled. Now, under Virus and Threat Protection, look for the option to run a scan. Select Quick Scan. Windows Security will now scan your computer for potential threats. The scan may take a few minutes, so wait until it has completely finished. If Windows Security finds a threat, follow the recommended instructions to quarantine or remove it. Do not manually delete system files or disable your antivirus just to fix the error. Once the scan has finished, check the results. If no threats are found, continue with the next step. Close Windows Security and return to your desktop. Now, click the Start button again. Select the power icon and choose Restart. Allow your computer to completely restart. Once Windows has loaded again, open the application or program where you previously received the Voices38.dll was not loaded error. Check whether the error still appears. If the problem was caused by a security issue or a temporary Windows problem, restarting the computer after the scan may resolve it. If you're still seeing the same message, you can also check whether the affected application has an available update. Make sure Windows is updated as well by going to Settings, selecting Windows Update, and checking for available updates. If the error continues after all these steps, the problem may be related to the specific application or a missing or corrupted file. In that case, reinstalling the affected application or contacting its official support may be the best option. And that's it. These are the steps you can try to fix the Voices38.dll error on Windows. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Windows troubleshooting tutorials and helpful PC tips. See you in the next video.